Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Al Hadi Learning Center. In this video, I will be talking about ordering and comparing numbers for the beginners. So let's get started. So first, let's get started with the comparing numbers. When comparing numbers, we use the sign greater than and smaller than. This is the sign for the smaller than and this is the sign for the greater than. Kids usually get confused when they use this sign, which one is smaller than and which one is greater than. So here is a top tip for them. When using the smaller than and greater than sign, it is helpful to think of a crocodile's mouth opening to eat the bigger number. The bigger the number, the more food for the crocodile. So see, greater than sign, crocodile mouth is opening to eat the big number. Much easier, pretty much easier to remember. Apart from smaller than and greater than, we also use another sign, which is equal sign. So this is the equal sign. When the numbers are not bigger than and smaller than, they are equal to each other, what would we use? We would use this sign, equal sign. So 120 is equal to 120, no bigger than, no smaller than. 120 smaller than 140. 0.75 is greater than 0.7. We can also use 0 here to complete it. This is actually 0.70. So 0.75 is greater than 0.7. We add the smaller than, greater than or equal signs in between the two numbers when we have these types of question. So ordering numbers. For ordering numbers, you will need to know your place value. I strongly recommended watching my video about place value. You can use place value chart to arrange your number. For example, here is the number 149, 22, 9, 3150. So what would we do? First of all, we have to make our place value chart like I did here. You can make as big chart as you want to, but this video is for the beginners, so I'm using up to thousands. You can make big up to like 10,000, 100,000, or as you can go as high as you want to. 1,000, 100 and units. So the 1,000 number we have is 3,150. Then 149, 22, and we have a single number which is 9. Much easier to arrange them now, biggest to smallest, because we have made our place value chart. So which number is on the top? 3,150, and the next number is 149, 22 and 9. So by using the place value chart, it will be much easier to you ordering the number. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.